The next thing we want to do is remove the skid shields. Generally speaking, there should be one here and one a little bit further back. Obviously, our rearward one is missing already. Use a 12 millimeter and get them out of the way. Now that the skid plate's out of the way, we can see the 2 mounting bolts over here. There's also going to be 2 more on the other side. Remove all 4 using a 12 millimeter. Awesome. Go ahead and grab this metal bracket off of there, and then grab the rubber. Should slide right off. Let's use a tiny bit of lubricant here. Go right along the surface area of the sway bar. Go ahead and get this rubber on there. That fits perfect. You want to make sure that it's the same size as the bar when it's closed. Go ahead and grab your bracket. It has this piece with the slot. That faces towards the front. You can hold it just like this. Slide it on. Now you're going to do the same to the other side of the bar, and then we'll continue. Go ahead and blast these holes with some copper never sees. Start in your bolts. Go ahead and start that bracket up and over the bolt. Okay. Do the same to the other side. All right, let's bottom out these bolts. We'll do the same to the other side, and then we'll torque them to manufacturer specifications. Torque these to 30 foot-pounds. Do the same to the other side. Let's put our shield up on here. You have your mounting areas on these plates. If you want to hit them with some copper never sees, it's not a bad idea.